very small black one out. Try to bring these birds to calmness. Make them calm and make them land. That dude's had battles. I know one bird got either scratched or hit, but it seems to have landed on the roof. It's got to cut the grass. But that's the bird there that I believe got hit. Seems to be okay. Lucky. Very lucky. Look at these guys. Needs to come down. You gotta have some old birds. You've been there, done that. Look at him, he's bringing them down. Lucky. As long as the hawk doesn't come back, that should be okay. There we go. There he lands. Let's hope they'll land after him. Glad the silver's down. Where is he? There he is. Alright. They're all accounted for. And there's that special little small one. Nice, straight down.